The Air Operations Branch is a personnel branch of the Canadian Forces. Training. Air Command Academy. The Air Command Academy at CFB Borden provides leadership and management training and imparts leadership and management techniques. The role of the AC is to broaden awareness of the Royal Canadian Air Force heritage and to develop general service knowledge and professional attributes. The school offers the Junior Leader Air Environmental course and the Primary Leadership Qualification course, the Sergeant Seminar and Senior Air Supervisor course. Canadian Forces School of Aerospace Control Operations. The Canadian Forces School of Aerospace Control Operations in Cornwall, Ontario offers a range of basic and specialty courses and conversion training to aerospace control officers and aerospace control operators. The CFSACO mainly carries out training in military air traffic control and air defense. Military members are trained to become either air traffic controller operators or air weapons controller operators. Canadian Forces School of Aerospace Studies. The Canadian Forces School of Aerospace Studies in Winnipeg, Manitoba was established in 1987. The CFSAS offers advanced education and training to some 800 officers and non-commissioned members annually. CFSAS developed, delivers, and maintains the Aerospace Systems course, the Basic and Advanced Operations Electronic Warfare courses, the Space Applications and Operations courses, the Operational Test and Evaluation course, as well as the Air Force Officers Development Program. 1 Canadian Forces Flying Training School, formerly called Canadian Forces Air Navigation School, the 1 Canadian Forces Flying Training School at CFB Winnipeg selects, develops and trains commissioned Air Combat Systems officer and non-commissioned airborne electronic sensor operators, who use modern aircraft positioning systems, such as GPSs to direct complex tactical missions. 2 Canadian Forces Flying Training School. The 2 Canadian Forces Flying Training School at CFB Moose Jaw trains over 150 pilots every year through the NATO Flying Training in Canada program for Canada's Air Force. 3 Canadian Forces Flying Training School. The 3 Canadian Forces Flying Training School in Winnipeg conducts pilot training using a variety of aircraft to accomplish its mission. 3 CFFDS is responsible for the oversight of the primary pilot selection and training of all Air Force pilots. 3 CFFDS conducts the Visual Flight Rules flight training for all Air Force Air Combat Systems officers. In addition, 3 CFFDS conducts helicopter pilot training and multi-engine aircraft pilot training. Order of precedence.